Hello there. Now through the next 24 hours we lose the mild air as it sinks southwards and we gain some very cold Arctic air. So things turning a lot colder through the next day or so. You can see these blues slowly streaming down the northern and eastern side of the country, pushing the mild air towards the west. So a widespread frost into Friday morning and Saturday morning. Snow showers likely across the far northeast of Scotland before gradually we'll see more milder air move in from the Atlantic through Saturday and into the beginning of next week. Now through Wednesday evening, here's a weather front. It's a band of cloud and rain. To the north, we're seeing showers and a much stronger wind. To the south, lots of clouds and some patchy rain and drizzle. So some drizzly bits and pieces through the night. Poor visibility, particularly over the higher ground of Northern Ireland, Northern England, as well as Wales. And the southern uplands also seeing lots of low clouds and that patchy rain as the rain becomes more persistent across the central belt through the early hours of the morning. Temperatures will be on the mild side as we enter Thursday away from the far north of Scotland, and here this cold Arctic air will deliver showers, a little sunshine in between but a cold biting wind. A wet and windy start for the southern part of the Grampians as well as the central belt, drizzly across southern Scotland, northern England as well as Northern Ireland. But further south, look at this, a few holes in the cloud towards the Severn Estuary, central southern England seeing the odd break allowing for some brighter weather, and that will be more of the case through the afternoon. Through the morning into the afternoon then, this rain band approaches Northern Ireland, Northern England, clears central parts of Scotland. Again, we could see some intense pulses associated with it as it sinks southwards. Now for West Wales and the West Country, cloudy with some patchy rain and drizzle, but inland you should see some brighter weather, the cloud breaking at times. But slowly as we head into evening time, that rain covers much of Yorkshire as well as the far North Midlands. A cold end to the day across Scotland with that biting wind and also a rash of showers which will turn to snow, particularly over the high ground across the northeast, but even at lower levels for a time. And watch out for gales through Thursday evening and gusty wind here as we head into Friday morning as this rain continues its passage towards central southern England. So most places seeing some patchy rain through into Friday morning across more southern areas before the cloud breaks, but a widespread frost elsewhere. Temperatures really plummeting. The air is that cold, and also a wind chill factor. We're talking about that right now as well, because yes, the air will really be streaming in from the north, particularly on the east coast. You're going to feel the rawness to that breeze, and even the north and the west exposed to the wind. Yes, still very cold indeed through Friday morning. Through Friday then, showers clipping eastern side, more clouds towards the west, but inland we'll see some sunny spells coming through. That pretty much sets the scene for Saturday as well. In fact, the winds will gradually ease as a ridge moves across. So here's your outlook through Saturday. As you can see here, sunny spells, but temperatures on the low side after a frosty start, 5 to 8 degrees Celsius. And the outlook through a Sunday, well, a slow change coming in from the west, more cloud, and perhaps even some outbreaks of rain skirting the far north. I'll see you later.